Where is the orange square? Right, that's a orange square. Tap all of the circles. Circle, 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 circle. Nice! Pick up the cookies and put them on the plates that match their shape. Star. Awesome! Star. Awesome! Star. Right! Oval. Nice! Semicircle. Correct! Semicircle. Right! Tap all of the semicircles. Awesome! Drag the shapes to their matching pair. For example, triangle. Trapezoid. Correct! Oval. Right! Semicircle. Right! Where is the blue oval? Right, that's a blue oval. Tap all of the stars. Star, 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 star. Way to go! Pick up the donuts and put them on the plates that match their shape. Diamond. Nice! Diamond. Awesome! Pentagon. Correct! Diamond. Nice! Rectangle. Right! Rectangle. Awesome! Drag the shapes to their matching pair. Crescent. Right! Pentagon. Correct! Trapezoid. Correct. Semicircle. Semicircle. Nice! Where is the red rectangle? Nice! That's a red rectangle. Tap all of the circles. Circle, circle, circle. Correct! Good job! Pick up the pizza slices and put them on the plates that match their shape. Diamond. Correct! Trapezoid. Nice! Circle. Right! Trapezoid. Awesome! Trapezoid. Nice! Diamond. Awesome! You unlocked a new background. Tap all of the rectangles. You're right! Drag the shapes to their matching pair. Pentagon. Nice! Crescent. Right! Circle. Right! Trapezoid. Correct! Where is the blue diamond? Right, that's a blue diamond. Tap all of the stars. Star, 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 star. Yes, way to go! Pick up the pizza slices and put them on the plates that match their shape. Star. Right. Square. Right. Square. Nice. Crescent. Correct. Crescent. Right. Crescent. Awesome. Tap all of the diamonds. drag the shapes to their matching pair. Star. Nice! Triangle. Nice! Oval. Correct! Circle. Nice! Where is the pink square? Correct, that's a pink square. Tap all of the trapezoids. Trapezoid. 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 You're right! Pick up the cupcakes and put them on the plates that match their shape. Octagon. Awesome! Square. Correct. Square. Correct. Oval. Right. Oval. Correct. Octagon. Right. Tap all of the stars. You're right!